Take a look at this scene where Cameron meets his clone for the first time.
I don't know what to say here. I know you don't think I'm... you.
The use of the word you is fascinating in this scene. When the clone uses the word you, he refers to Cameron's memories, thoughts, and appearance. The clone is the exact copy of those, so on the surface, the clone is Cameron. But there is an aspect of Cameron that can't be duplicated. The experiencer. The aspect of Cameron that experiences his reality. The aspect of you who is currently watching this video, listening to the words I'm saying, and the music underneath it. This aspect is your essence, the real you.